Okay, welcome back. This video is just going to start to talk about the degree level standard. So the other program standard that we had talked about within the framework for programs of instruction, um, those three components that we talked about, the program outcomes, EES, general education, those were for most common college credentials. So from certificates through to diplomas, advanced diplomas, and graduate certificates. But degrees have another set of standards that is governed by an organization called PCAB, or the Post-Secondary Education Quality Assessment Board. They're an arm's length from MTCU. And if you go to their website, which I've hyperlinked for you, both from the slide and there's a direct link in Blackboard, if you click on Quality of Ontario College Degrees, you'll see they're dictated by the OQF, just like the other college credentials. But if you click here, you'll see it describes for the bachelor's degree honors. So all college degrees are bachelor's degree honors. And here you'll find an outline of some of the degree level standard. And so if you do have a look, you'll notice that there are some similarities, such as program outcomes are required, and similar categories such as typical duration, admission requirements that you would find on the framework for programs of instruction. You will find EES are missing, or essential employability skills. So these are not a requirement for degrees, but if you do look at the program standard further, so if you keep scrolling down, you'll see there are similar skills outlined at the EES. They would just be expected at a more advanced level. So things like critical thinking, research, communication, professionalism, including capacity and autonomy. I've also found, just in my experience, that the degree has a much greater emphasis on research skills and contributing to the field of research than other college credentials.